Hello everyone, so today I called Home Depot. They told me they have 4 pallets of soil, combination of soil, mulch, rocks, polished rocks and some other building materials that could be added to the house. So checking right now, so these big piles of mulch, like $3 for 10 bags. Another one combination, so I'll probably skip this one. What I'm most looking is the soil, combination of organic soil, rocks and pebbles and everything else. So I'll probably pick up 2 of those pallets in my van and organize. What I like over here is about like 1, 2, 3 garden soil, another bags, probably 7 bags of soil, and 1, 2, 3, probably another 5 to 7 bags of mulch. So that would cost me, based on the paper, $8. So for every bag that costs $3.48 of soil, earth grow topsoil, I will pay probably like 30 or 40 cents per bag. So as you can see, it's a great deal, and that will give me big deal to start. And now I'm gonna move to the lumber section, where I can pick up free sticks from their containers. It's like small cardboard trash containers where they keep all the sticks that they use for moving the lumber, and they throw them away. And that's a great opportunity to use for your containers growth, for just the starters. Okay, so that's the beginning. Have a good one. Bye bye. Okay, and here I'm currently in the lumber department. As you can see, everything is nice and organized. But those sticks that they use to strap the good material, and later they just throw it under the shelves, and sometimes it get organized in the carts like this at the end of the store over here. So I always ask permission from the manager and local employees here in the department if it's okay to take those for the use garden, and definitely you will ask permission. Sometimes they have to guide you through the cashiering and you get it for free. Sometimes they just make a phone call name and you get it. And it's a good quality, good sticks, as you can see, probably 3 feet tall, and I use it for starter plants. Put it inside, tie the starter plants to this stick, and will give you enough for probably next year, until the dragon fruit will grow approximately over 3 feet. You can relocate, or you can just for reselling. Sounds great. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Okay, finally, an hour later, with help of guys from Home Depot, I was able to load 2 pallets, and I bought 4 barrels, 4 half barrels. Those I'm gonna do in container and in ground, planting dragon fruit as well. So that's a great deal. So I probably got, I don't know, maybe 20 bucks of the mulch that I'm gonna use for other projects. I probably got 10 bags of garden soil, which were discounted from 30 cents to $1 probably for this cubic and a half feet for $1. I got tea pebbles, which I'm gonna mix with the cactus soil. I'm gonna add steer manure later. So basically everything that you need for a project, and as well as I got those wooden sticks for the starters, as you can see it over here. So everything is loaded, and those 2 pallets did cost me $23. 1 pallet $8, and another $15 was probably 10 bags. So the saving is amazing. It's probably the value of those bags, where last time I purchased was like $70-80, and I got it for $8. So here we go, and we'll keep you posted with another updates. Thank you.